Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vinay Kishore, consultant orthopedic surgeon in Medicover Hospitals, Chandanagar. Today I am going to talk about sports injuries in young people. I am going to talk about how these injuries happen, what patients need to do immediately, and what is the long-term prognosis of these various sports injuries. As we know, these days concerns about fitness is very common, and it's a very good thing that a lot of young people are doing a lot of things about their fitness. But invariably, as part of fitness efforts, come injuries associated with exercise regimens. Knee injuries during sports and fitness activities is very common, but unfortunately, many young people neglect it, treating them as part and parcel of the fitness regimen. So, who needs to approach a doctor and who does not need to worry about them? Sports injuries in knees are extremely common due to various jumping activities, twisting injuries. Many times, what happens is people tend to just carry on through with these injuries. But sometimes, what happens, these injuries are extremely painful, associated with swelling and limitation of range of movement of the knee. So, our advice is basically if the pain is persisting for more than about half an hour, do consult your doctor immediately. I'm not saying that something needs to be done, but the prudent course is to get these injuries assessed. One of the most common injuries in knees in sporting activities is ACL tears. ACL is one of the four main ligaments that provide stability to the knee joint. ACL injuries happen in jumping activities, sports like basketball, football, literally any sporting activities that includes running. What happens is when these ligaments tear, they do not heal. So we need to reconstruct these ligaments. So after you approach the orthopedic doctor, we clinically assess the injury to see if there is any tears of the ligament. If we think there is a tear of a ligament, we advise X-rays first and then MRIs. MRI will show a ligament tear, the position of the tear and the severity of the tear. Once the tear is confirmed, we need to plan on the next course of treatment. Usually the next course of treatment is to rest the knee joint immediately. And once the knee swelling and pain decreases after 4 or 5 weeks, we plan for surgery. So before plan for surgery, patients are usually advised a regimen of physiotherapy to strengthen the knee muscles. So what does the surgery involve? As I said before, once the ligament is torn, it does not heal by itself. So we have to replace the torn ligament. We reconstruct the torn ligament with tendons and ligaments that surround the knee joint. What we do is we do an arthroscopic surgery. We take the tendons of muscles surrounding the knee joint and we reconstruct the ligament arthroscopically. This is a keyhole surgery. The surgery itself lasts about an hour, but that is only part of the rehabilitation protocol. As important as the surgery is the physiotherapy that comes after the surgery. This physiotherapy usually lasts around 6 to 8 weeks before the patient can go back to his full pre-injury fitness levels. Thank you.